Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daisy behalf of Hari. Today we'll see about PDF import tool from Autocad. Okay, let's start. Open a new Autocad file and type PDF import in command line. It will pop option to select PDF underlay or file in command window. Left click the file option. It will open the selection form to locate the PDF file. Select the relevant file from the folder to import into Autocad. Please note that direct converted PDF only can be imported to the Autocad with PDF import command. It will open a new form with some setting along with it. First box is for the location. The first one is location. It has the option to select either specify on screen or it will be inserted 0,0. Their scale and rotation value are available. Basically their values will be 1 and 0. If we need to change we can update these values as required. Scale will be always a non-zero value. Second one is PDF data to import. There are 4 checkbox. We can click on each checkbox as required. Those are vector geometry, solid fills, true type text, raster images. Now we'll see about layer options. There are 3 options provided. First one is use PDF layer. It will use the same layer as mentioned in PDF. Second one is object layer. It will create the layer depending on the objects. For example, if line and circle is there, it will be under one layer named PDF geometry. And all solid fills will be under solid fill layer. The third and last one is current layer. It will use the current layer to convert all PDF objects and keep in that layer. Few thing about importing options. If you want import the complete object as block, select the first checkbox under import options. Second one will enable the join arc and line segments. If you want convert all solid fill to hatch pattern, select the third checkbox. Fourth one for line weight property. Last option will enable and for line types from the collinear dashes. All options accuracy will be depending on quality of the PDF file used. Please select the relevant sheet from PDF if it is multi-sheet file. We can use the grid view to see the preview to select the sheet. Once all the settings are selected properly, click OK to start conversion. Wait for few seconds and see the files are imported with object types. Thanks for watching the video. If anyone has any queries, please feel free to ask. Next video we will see about text recognition. Have a wonderful day.